Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add friends on your Telegram app by phone number. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and that bell icon for more videos. Now, to add friends on your Telegram app by phone number, you'll be required to open the Telegram app. And after opening a Telegram app, you will be required to know one thing, that is, you'll not be able to directly add a contact on your Telegram app. Over here, you'll be required to save the phone number of your friend whom you want to add on your Telegram app over here on the device like this. And after saving your friend on your device, if they have installed or created an account on Telegram, then they'll be available on your Telegram contacts over here. And over here they will be available over here like this. And if they have not yet created an Telegram account on their phone or Telegram account on Telegram, then they will not be available on your Telegram. And then, guys, this is how you add friends on your Telegram app by phone number. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.